Welcome to Bestusefultips. I will show you how to use quick launch on a OnePlus 10R, 10T, 10 Pro device. Open the settings, scroll and tap on a special features. Tap on a quick launch. Toggle on quick launch. Here you can see current menu. Tap on plus icon. You want to add apps. Select the app you want to add. Here we select gender, for a search. Tap on apps. You can also add apps. You can maximum add 5 apps. To remove one, select the app. Here we select Chrome. Tap on a right icon at top. Now you can see edit the application on your device. Now go to lock screen, lock your phone and long press the button. Go to lock screen, long press the fingerprint and swipe up. You can see the you want to use app. Tap the app to open directly from lock screen on your device. This feature is useful to quickly open app. Again, lock the screen, OnePlus, long press it and swipe up. Now tap on a voice search. It's quite easy to directly open access from your home screen or lock screen. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.